adventures and exploring new destinations are always fun and exciting. But these memories and experiences actually start right from the travel itself. For the past year, I have shared the most memorable lifestyle choices around the world with the help of China Airlines, Taiwan's flag carrier. And sending us off on our flight and making sure we have the best travel experience is none other than China Airlines Manila Branch Office General Manager, Mr. Jacky Chen. Hello, Jacky. It is such a privilege to have you with us today. And can I just say that we at Trending with Kelly, we are just so thrilled to have China Airlines as our partner when it comes to traveling the world.
Yeah, hi, Kelly.
Hello. Now, I know there's something very exciting with China Airlines right now, and it's that China Airlines now flies to Ontario, California. Now, how long has China Airlines been flying to the United States?
China Airlines has been in the airline industry for 59 years, and we are flying to the United States for almost 48 years.
Wow, that long?
Yeah. As of now, Taiwan is the current California's number 4 largest trading partners. The traveler between Taiwan and California increased by around 30% since Taiwan was added to the Visa Waiver program.
Wow, 30%! That's a huge increase. Now, why did China Airlines decide to open flights to Ontario, California?
China Airlines launched daily non-stop flight from Taipei to Ontario on March 25, 2018. The Taipei-Ontario route, along with the existing Taipei-Los Angeles service, will expand options for travelers to and from Asia in metropolitan Los Angeles. We are aiming to penetrate around 10 million potential passengers, including Filipinos to and from Manila.
That is great news for all Filipinos who want to travel to California. Now, what are the advantages of flying to Ontario International Airport?
Ontario Airport's super locations means it is close to local Chinese and Asian communities and can attract the travelers from the east side of Greater Los Angeles. In the Ontario Airport, it's very easy and convenient, very short, very quick. Our Taipei Ontario route is served by our new A350 aircraft.
Oh, wow.
The A350 aircraft cabin features 32 premium business class seats and the 31 premium economic class seats. We have 243 economic class seats. The aircraft have sky lounge bar for our premium business class.
And I was fortunate enough to have experienced this luxury and convenience from China Airlines firsthand.
So I'm ready for another brand new adventure, and of course I'm flying with China Airlines. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Once we got to the Taoyuan International Airport in Taiwan, we were immediately directed to the Sky Lounge bar.
Finally made it here to Taipei, and although I'll be waiting a few hours before my flight to Ontario, California, I really don't mind because I have full access to China Airlines VIP Lounge.
The perfect place to freshen up and rejuvenate for that long-haul flight ahead.
See you in Ontario.
Now, I know China Airlines now provides direct flights from Manila to Ontario, California. Now, what does this mean to Filipino passengers?
Effective from September 17, 2018, flight from Ontario via Taipei to Manila will immediately connect and will arrive at 9:35 in the morning in Manila. Since there are many Filipino migrants in California, Ontario flight service is more convenient. It has fewer roadside delays, shorter immigration processing time, and faster security and check-in lines, less terminal congestion, and a faster baggage processing. It also has competitive fares, and yet they can still experience high-class quality service.
Wow, that sounds amazing. You offer seamless service and it's affordable too. I mean, where can you go wrong? Seriously.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jacky, for your time. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to flying with China Airlines more. Thank you.
Yeah, you are welcome. Thank you, Kelly.
We Filipinos are definitely very fortunate to have excellent service from an airline like China Airlines. That brings us to our chosen destinations around the world. One way to ensure you enjoy your travel plans is to fly worry-free with China Airlines, Taiwan's flag carrier.